Okay, we've got another Range Rover Sport autobiography model with a insurance requested category S5 plus immobilisation, stolen vehicle tracking and monitoring system with driver ID tag. So there's your driver ID tag there. If the tag's not present, the vehicle won't start. So if somebody clones your key or steals your key, still can't start your car. So I'll show you that now. So with foot on the brake, press the start button, you see it won't start. That's because you can't see the card. So it's a simple little button on the back of the card. I'll turn the card on. It's Bluetooth, so these little prongs here, you get a little bulldog clip charger that you can charge the cards up when they're low. But that's turned on now, so you can leave it turned on all the time, leave it in your wallet, in your bag, in your purse. So if I foot on the brake and press the button again now, you can see it starts and runs fine. And each time you leave the vehicle, once it loses sight of the tag, the card, it will automatically immobilise itself. You can view the vehicle's position and status on an app, which is quite handy. Smartphone app for iOS or Android. Thatcham category S5 insurance accredited, tracking, monitoring, driver ID.